In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a multiple answers option in SurveyMonkey. If you're looking to enhance the versatility of your surveys, adding a multiple answer feature might just be the solution you need. Whether you're conducting research or simply trying to gather feedback, this option allows respondents to provide richer data by selecting more than one option, thus painting a clearer picture of their preferences or opinions. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to include this feature in your SurveyMonkey surveys. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to SurveyMonkey's website. If you haven't already, this is a great time to make sure you're logged into your account. If not, simply click on the login button, which you'll find at the top right of the page. It's straightforward, just enter your login credentials and you're set. For those who prefer the ease of single sign-on, SurveyMonkey offers a nifty feature where you can log in using your Google account. All you have to do is click the Google button on the login page. If you have multiple accounts, just make sure you select the correct one, especially if you're juggling between personal and work emails. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the SurveyMonkey design section. This is your creative dashboard where you'll soon be breathing life into your survey. Here you'll notice a Build tab. Clicking on Build is like opening the door to all the tools you need to construct your survey questions. Now onto the fun part, adding checkboxes. On the design interface, look for the Add button and then select Checkboxes. This is the feature that will enable your respondents to check multiple options, instead of limiting their choice to a single answer. It's the secret ingredient for flexibility. With checkboxes ready, it's time to enter your question. Think of the information you're aiming to gather and formulate your question accordingly. If you're looking for feedback on multiple aspects, then a multi-select question can truly shine here. The final step involves specifying the answer choices. These should be carefully curated options that resonate with the question you've crafted. Remember, the clarity of your answer choices can significantly impact the quality of the responses you receive. So take a moment to ensure each option is clear and concise. Once everything is set, review your question for any possible typos or errors and make any needed adjustments. And there you have it, your survey is now empowered with a multiple answers option, ready to collect diverse insights from your respondents. Don't forget to save your progress and preview the survey to see how it looks from your audience's perspective. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating more engaging and informative surveys. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most of your SurveyMonkey experience.